Happy Father's Day.
Thanks, buddy.
Love ya.
What are you doing, Sean?
Thanks for being number one.
Yeah. My MVD shirt.
Yep. Yep. So you get to pick the lake today.
Like you said, it better be small because the winds are going to be 24 miles an hour.
Are they really?
Yeah, they're going to get up to 31.
Holy cow! So what's your yeah, that's probably a good choice. Nice small lake. Maybe hide out of the wind a little bit. But so I'll just bring these 2 poles today then, huh?
2?
Just 2, only 2. So you can see us on there making fishing videos.
You guys look big enough to make some big bear cubs.
All right.
Yeah.
Have a good day.
You too. We'll see you next.
Thank you. All right, let's go. Oh, these sandals are horrible. I can't believe how bad they just walk on the. They just turn out like that. Hey YouTube, welcome back. Bear Hug Outdoors. This is the Father Son, the Happy Father's Day edition. Want to say Happy Father's Day to everybody. By the time you see this, it will have already occurred. It's Sunday. Happy Father's Day. And I have my father with me today. And it was his pick of the lake today. So he wanted to do some bass fishing and fish some lily pads and all that good stuff. He likes picking them off pads. So we're here on one of our favorite lakes to go to up here in southern Wisconsin, and we're gonna get at it today. Hopefully we catch on some big girls and maybe a couple pike. We always seem to catch a couple of those in here, but anyhow, happy Father's Day, and we'll see you guys on the water. See how the old 15 horse starts. Old cold start here. 3 poles, not bad. Not bad. Not bad for an old 15 horse Johnson. Old 3-pole cold start. We're ready to roll. 3 poles. You fired up? You ready to rip some lips? All right.
I want big lips too.
Today might be the day. All right, today I'm starting with the old wounded bird. Still have yet to catch my first fish on this. I thought it was gonna be an absolute game changer, but it has failed me so far. Yesterday I stopped at the creek by your house, Dad, and I actually did have 2 swipes on it right there, but I think the bass, that little bass, was just too small to get a hold of it. But I should you put this on a leader. What's that?
Can you hand me the white one?
Yep. Oh, it's windy.
Yeah.
We got, I don't know, probably 15-mile-an-hour winds right now. It's gonna be a rough day, I think, with the winds, but that's why we came to a much smaller lake than to come up on to a bigger lake today. Straight ahead, Dad. To the right. All right, the grass is yeah, grass is perfect right now. Grass is perfect. I think it could be a slaughter fest today.
Oh, it's going to be.
I really think it could be. I really think I need to put this on a leader. This is If a little pike comes up and gets a hold of this, I'm gonna be in trouble. Oh boy, Dad's on. Dad's on. Little pike. You're in the grass. Kick it in reverse. Kick it in reverse. Oh no, you're out. You're out. Never mind. He's out. Oh, yeah, he's a little pike. Smacked it. Smacked it.
Sure did.
He's gonna shake on you. Be careful. Nice colors on them. Here's my pliers right here. Oh boy. Here you go. Oh, mine are stuck. Grab yours. They're too hard. You're gonna have to kick the troller on though, Dad. We're gonna go to the right. Yep. Nice fish. Little guy just came up and smacked it right there, didn't he? That was cool. I heard him. I didn't have the camera on. I missed the set, but Father's Day pike on the Whopper Plopper. I'm telling you, catch more fish on the Whopper Plopper. Yeah, there you go. Make them look a little bigger. Got it. All right. Hold on, let's get a little release on them. Okay. Trolling motor to the left. I tell you, if I didn't pay attention, we'd... I think you'd have us beached. There he goes. How'd that feel?
The old pike.
The old snake.
And that rear hook got him, front hook got him first.
Yep.
It went through his bill.
Like I said, still Whopper Plopper still out fishing the wounded bird. Still out fishing the wounded bird. Corner of this lake looks awfully fishy back here. So far the Whopper Plopper's up 1-0. I'm starting to wonder if this thing just has too much, there's just too much commotion.
Probably scared of it.
I don't get it. Is that thunder?
It sounded like it a little bit ago. I thought I heard thunder.
Wow. Head to the right, Dad. It's shallow in here. Shallow and really weedy. Perfect spot for a bass, huh? I'm just grabbing all grass. Yeah, oh yeah, that's black over there. Oh, I gotta check my phone. Oh boy. We might have to head to the truck.
Okay.
I don't know, I gotta look at the phone. It looks like it's coming right at us.
Oh, shit. I don't want to be caught out here in that.
Maquanago. Turning cloudy. Says some rain in 30 minutes. Oh, no way. Yep, the storm blew up on us. Let's see here. It's gonna rain for about 15 minutes.
Yeah, but I don't want the damn lightning.
No, I know. I'm just saying it's gonna rain for... Most of it's going north northeast of us, we're gonna get tagged by just a little tail of that, so we might have to just tie up for a little bit, or just put it right on the trailer for, because it's only gonna rain for. Here, want to look at my phone? Oh, it's like the big part of the storm is north of us, and there's just one little blob that's gonna come over us. Looks like it's gonna rain for about 10-15 minutes. So yeah, out there doesn't look good right out there. So we're gonna probably aim towards the dock, fish our way towards the dock, I guess. I don't know. Good thing the boat or the ramp is only a couple minutes away, the truck. All right, where's all these big bad pike at? That's what I want to know. What, probably 100% humidity? Pretty much like what today's gonna be after this storm. Yeah, let's aim for the dock. Might have to. I don't want to get soaking wet either, you know. It'd be nice if there's no other boats here. We could just leave the boat right on the Maquanago. Yeah, by the looks here, just look at it, you can see. See how that one's just gonna clip us? Fix the boat. It's just that one little one.
Yeah.
But yeah, let's see how far away is it. Obviously it's close. It's 807. We got about 25 minutes. So if you guys can see it right there, this is what's probably got a good glare on this, but I'm telling you, fish are gonna get fired up with this right now. Yeah, now it's saying from Maquanago it's not gonna rain here. I think we're good. Famous last words. I think we're good. All right, let's commence the. Oh, there's not many weeds here. Wow, it looks pretty good over here, actually. Wow. Look at that sky. Ooh.
Just got a weather alert.
Are we gonna fish frogs, Dad? Are you gonna fish lily pads over there?
Yeah. Yeah, I'm gonna try out the old rootless frog.
I know one thing, that sky does not look good, but it's, from what mine is showing, it's all going north here. We were gonna get clipped by that tail right there, but it's gonna miss us. Storm's not looking so good right now. We're going to, we just saw lightning pop out there. We're gonna take her in for 10-15 minutes, let the storm blow by. Thunder and all that we can deal with. The lightning, it's time to go. Oh, we tied it down just in time. Well, that's a wrap. This is gonna be the shortest video ever. I'm gonna put it out just because it's Father's Day. We were out there about 30, maybe 45 minutes. Dad caught the one and only pike. Congratulations, Dad, nice job. Happy Father's Day.
Thank you.
Happy Father's Day to all the fathers out there. And thanks for tuning in. Like, comment, subscribe. Bear Hug Outdoors. Can't stop, won't stop. We'll see you on the next one. Peace. Didn't catch it in time, but we're just pulling to this lake here, and that guy there didn't have his boat tied down. The boat just flipped. It was sitting straight up in the air on the trailer. Crazy.
Nope.
10:13. Well, continuation of the Father's Day trip. We left up north over there at the lake we were on, and the further south that we drove, the rain let up, and we decided to come back to the windiest, grassiest lake we've been on this year, but it's the closest thing that we had that was going to be open that we could get to on the way home. So here we are. We're gonna give it a shot, I think. All right, round 2, Father's Day edition. Here we go. Last time we were here, the wind was blowing from our left down that way.
Yeah, that's south. So.
That's south, yeah. So today the wind's blowing out of the north, huh? No, it can't be blowing out of the north. Could be. All right, well, I'm gonna cut the motor right here, and I mean, well, we're probably gonna drift that way.
Yeah, we will.
So you're gonna have to trolling motor down if you want to fish that, unless you want me to go down there further and try to drift this way. I think so. Okay. Yep. Yeah, it's only 3 feet of water, so yeah, 3 feet of water. I'm gonna start off with the old Wounded Bird. Still, oh yeah, we are in super shallow water right here. I just pulled the motor up. Probably only about 1.5 foot of water right in here. Hopefully the wind's gonna blow us right into there, isn't it? Gosh dang it.
Here, let me put the trolley down.
No, just stay there, you're fine. Hold on. We just went in too far, that's all. What?
Fish.
No way. You got one right now? Holy cow. Okay. Throw the motor in neutral. Actually, let me kill it. No way. I turned the... Jeez. I turned around to back us up out of there, and you just... he hammered you, huh?
Yeah.
We're at right off that point.
I threw it right there, and I reeled in 2 cranks, and...
Wow.
That sucker nailed me like right now.
Oh. That's crazy. Yeah, don't try not to get him in the grass, but kind of hard not to. There he went. There he comes. That's a nice bass. That's a nice bass. You want to grab your nice bass? Yeah, buddy.
Wow.
Yeah, buddy. Absolutely hammered it. I turned around to start the motor to back us out of that thick stuff. And nice one.
That's what I'm talking about.
Oh, camera. Can you hold them like up like that? Oh, yeah. I know it's hard to, but nice. Small.
The old measurements. He looks like a 17.
Yeah, he's all, if you said 14. Yeah, he's 16. Ah!
Till tomorrow. Good luck, bud.
Okay, Mr. Bass. Nice little catch. Nice little catch. Look at the colors on that guy. Good looking. But today he he's out of there. He didn't wait around. Today he gets to go. All right, we're out of here. Oh, the grass again. Son of a bitch. Okay. How'd you guys do today?
Before or after the rain? Yeah, we got hit hard out there.
Yeah?
Yeah, we went through 3 storms out there of rain.
Wow, yeah.
You guys went out early?
We were up in Phantom Lake, but it was lightning up there, so we started heading home, and then it quit. We came here.
Yeah.
We only got 1 fish.
Yeah, we got, what'd you get, 3? I got 1.
Nice.
Big hits on my end, but nothing to hold on to.
Nice.
Yeah, it wasn't bad.
Heck yeah. Have a good day. It's getting hot now. It's gonna be hot tomorrow. Big pontoon. The party's gonna start now. That's actually different. I wonder what that perspective is like. Walking around with the camera on the back of your head. If you wear it like that, then you can really see what people, like when you walk by, what they think of you. Yep. Well, that was fun. Didn't catch as many fish as we wanted to, but hard to do it with that storm that happened. Cool. Well, I'm gonna head home and get ready for the big day tomorrow. 100 degrees. Ugh. This doesn't even sound right.
No.
It's got to happen sooner or later, though. All right. See ya.
All right, Sean.
Love you too. We'll talk to you later.